Welcome to Foundations of Special and Inclusive Education. In this video, we will explore how to understand and interrupt the cycle of learning difficulties. Before looking at causes or interventions, it's vital to understand the profound personal impact of learning difficulties. These challenges extend beyond academics, shaping a student's confidence, relationships, and fundamental view of themselves. Students facing learning difficulties often have low confidence and develop a poor opinion of their own abilities. This can lead to a common belief that they are less capable than they truly are. Learning difficulties can lead to social isolation and problems making friends. This is often a direct result of their lack of confidence and poor self-esteem. The challenges can also affect physical and communicative skills, compounding the negative effects on self-esteem. Difficulties with sports or poor expressive language skills contribute to the struggle. These struggles are not random. They form a cycle. One of the major known causes of severe learning difficulties is a phenomenon known as the failure cycle. The failure cycle begins with a negative association. A student who struggles with reading develops a dislike for it, which leads to avoidance. This is the first stage. Avoidance leads to a lack of practice. When a teacher responds with reprimand instead of support, the student's negative feelings are reinforced, often directed toward the teacher, not the task. In the third stage, the student associates the teacher with their feeling of failure. This breaks the trust necessary for seeking help, further isolating the student in their struggle. Without support from teachers or parents, the student internalizes the failure. They conclude the problem is with themselves, cementing their negative belief and restarting the cycle. This is the self-perpetuating loop of failure. Early failure leads to lost confidence, avoidance of difficult tasks, and a lack of practice, creating a powerful and difficult cycle to break. Small problems become big problems. The longer students experience difficulties, the greater the effort required to reduce or eliminate the problem. Early awareness and response are paramount. What if the problem isn't the student? Some researchers propose a radical shift, labeling the challenge as a learning difficulty that shifts focus from the learner to the learning itself. This perspective uses the term curriculum disabled. It reframes the challenge as a mismatch between the student and the system, since poor quality curriculum and instruction can cause learning difficulties. You have the power to break the cycle. Effective educators can adjust factors like quality of instruction, curriculum appropriateness, expectations, and classroom environment to support struggling learners. Shaping the learning landscape involves two key areas: the classroom environment and the curriculum. Ensure your space is physically and emotionally supportive, allowing students to feel safe making mistakes. Your expectations become the student's reality. High expectations, coupled with high support, foster growth. The manner of treatment directly impacts self-esteem, countering the failure cycle. Effective teachers are proactive. They are detectives who actively find students with difficulties, and first responders who address student needs as early as possible. Proactivity stops small problems from becoming big ones. Thank you for watching this video on the foundations of special and inclusive education. Remember, there is no problem, only solution.